I've never cooked Chinese.
But you are the best cook in the world. In fact, you are the best.
Who has never cooked Chinese?
But Chima, it's the same principle now. Just wash the ingredients, get a pot, put the pot and put it on fire. Once it's soft and tasty. That's all.
That's a whole lot of hard work.
Chima, why are you talking like this? Hard work was what made us what we are today.
I'm not joking. Why not just order out?
But Chima, you know the two Chinese restaurants in the estate don't do takeout. And the one outside the estate is about 1 hour 30 minutes away. Please now.
I'm waiting for the ingredients.
Oh, that's it. You are the best.
I'm not the best. I'm just trying to give it a try, okay? If it comes out horrible, it's on your head.
I know, Chima, please don't talk like that. Anyway, just let's go.
I'm still waiting for the recipe.
Okay, Chima. Let's go.
Yes, sir. You graduated from University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where you studied sociology and graduated with a 2-1, right?
Yes, sir.
Thereafter, you proceeded to the Nigerian Police College, from where you graduated with a distinction.
Very correct, sir.
Good. So, tell me, why did you join the force?
It started as a childhood fantasy, going after the bad guys, saving the day, wearing the uniform. It wasn't far from who I was. Always quick to act against injustice or anytime I feel I perceive anything wrong. At home, in school, everywhere. I was the one who fought for people who were being wronged, cheated, or even manipulated. Inevitably, there was only one place that would always with a license. That is the police.
And you have, with great results for over a decade, but not without an incident. Your dossier reveals a history of insubordination. Do you have a problem with authority?
I don't, sir. On the contrary, I respect constituted authority.
Do you think she can stay married?
I don't want to think about it. See, Uche leaves for the force, and for her to lose that job, seriously, I don't want to think about it. But she won't make it.
And if I may ask, how did you two meet?
There was a break in the house where I live then. So we invited the police and she came with the officer. Believe me, the moment I saw her, I just can't explain how my heart felt. I just sat down and all I was thinking of was how to get her number.
And did you get the number?
Not that day exactly. So I had to go to the police station the next day. I invited her over that we needed for her to come and address girls on how to become a female officer.
Chima, were you a teacher then?
Of course not. But the plan was to invite her to my sister's school so I could make my move on her.
But
come to think of it, I still wonder how I ended up marrying a police officer. You know, see, danger, complications. But Uche really makes it worth my while. So, if I must, I'll marry her again.
Chima,
Yeah?
for me, if I come to this world over and over again, I'd love to get married to different women, because even God himself did not create more women than men for nothing. He You know what I'm talking about?
Alright. I pity you.
You are complicit in Uche's crime.
I'm sorry, sir. I believed in her cause. I didn't know that things would turn out the way they did. The plan she created.
Enough, Momo. I didn't call you in here to punish you. I just want you to know that you will be acting as the DCO in this station for the meantime. Actually, Uche is not meant to be DCO. She is good. She has a way of solving issues. But you see, between you and I, the police job is for the men. I want men around me. And that woman has taught me something about women. They follow their hearts, not others.
I don't know what to say, sir. But thank you very much, sir. This is a great leap for me, no doubt. But, sir, I don't know how I feel occupying the position of acting DCO. She was a great officer and a dear friend. She made a mistake which I partook of. I will feel better if this promotion comes in another way.
A DCO is not coming from outside. You either take this position or you face the aftermath of what you colluded to do with Uche. It's simple.
Silent night.
Excuse me, ma. This is your 100% in my year.
Babes, are you sure you want to spend this much on hair? Since your landlord just increased rent, I saved for this one separately on money points.
Ma, you say you save on money points?
Yes.
This madam money points here, the array of your dryer there, his target savings money points I used to have it. The rest of this my sub, his fees savings money points I used to do it. The salary of this my staff is save as you transact, son.
Jennifer, money point save as you transact. Money point fixed savings and money point target savings.
What's up? Why did John don't contribute to it? Why should they? Come on, oh, you go give your money to Hadaku to save. You see money points accounts there. You know go open a savings account. Now Hadaku you shoot. I beg everybody inside this my salon. Oh, yeah, bring out your phone and download the money points app now. Even you, what are you waiting for? Download the money points app now. Hadaku, wow, open money points account.
Money Point, made for your progress.
Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise. Life is beautiful when love is unconditional. But life is full of surprises when you least expect it all. So let us be faithful, to one another. Let the love given be genuine to each other. So let us be faithful, to one another. Let the love given be genuine to each other. Silent noise, silent noise.
Please, are you going?
I'll be back soon. You need anything?
Not really. Please don't be angry. I heard you're now the new DCO.
So this your Uche is... She's no more here?
I know what she means to you and to all of us. So pray along with me that some miracle will bring her back.
Okay. Bye-bye.
What? Your phone on the ring says. Let's see, don't watch.
Oh, my wife. Hello, my queen.
Hey, honey.
How did you go with the panel? I hope it went well.
Not bad.
Oh, not bad. It means it went well.
Well, they asked me questions, I answered. They said they would get back to me.
And when they asked you about you going against your detailed orders,
I told them I did it for a common goal.
I hope you weren't defensive.
No, my king. I was calm and submissive.
But look, just pray. I know even they themselves, they know you're one of the best in the force, so I think Providence will speak for you.
Thank you, my love.
We're having Chinese tonight.
Take out?
Actually, I'm preparing it. A whole lot of stories, but I'll tell you when we see you at night.
I don't know you could cook Chinese, so.
I really don't know, but I'm gonna give it a go. If it gets horrible, we'll just make do.
I'm sure it won't be horrible. See you tonight.
See you, baby. Love you.
Alright, my love. Bye.
Guy, I beg now. Time don't go. Let's go.
We
We have less
my
than
wife
2
I
hours.
talk to already.
Please, you have less than 2 hours.
Let's go.
Wow. So how did it go? Anyhow, I'm sure you can't wait to taste my Chinese. You know, Balaji's cook that was supposed to prepare the Chinese for the wife and the boss, she left.
Why?
Seriously, I never even bothered to ask. You see, Balaji downloaded the recipe from the net and... but let's put that aside. So tell me more about the panel.
I lied. I told the panel that I went after General Pinto because the wolf was cowardly too. Not in those exact words, but clear enough to send the message. I told them I'll do it again, not minding if they order me not to. I don't think I have a place in the police anymore. You know, what am I going to do? This is all I ever wanted. All I ever dreamed. early for this call.
I know it's 5 in the morning.
Well, I have a perfect reason for calling you now.
I know you long enough to understand that your eccentricity is not without due reason. Why would you?
I'm fine now. I really need your help now.
Anything to do with your suspension?
You heard?
Oh, Uche there. I was deputy head of service for 15 years. Hearing what others don't is my specialty, even in retirement.
As it is now, I don't see the police taking me back.
What do you plan to do about that?
Fight my way back. Solve the case that got me out.
You are going after General Pinto?
If I don't, no one will.
My only hours are exclusive to God. I'm yours from it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
The world is not such a pretty place, always. Sure, we can always close. Silence night.
Excuse me, ma. This is your 100% in my year.
Babes, are you sure you want to spend this much on hair? Since your landlord just increased rent, I saved for this one separately on money points.
Ma, you say you save on money points?
Yes.
This madam money points here, the array of dryer there, his target savings money points I used to have it. The rest of this my sub, his fees savings money points I used to do it. The salary of this my staff is save as you transact.
Jennifer, money point save as you transact. Money point fixed savings and money point target savings.
What's up? Why did John don't contribute to it? Why should they? Come on, oh, you go give your money to Hadaku to save. You see money points accounts there. You know go open a savings account. Now Hadaku you shoot. I beg everybody inside this my salon. Oh yeah, bring out your phone and download the money points hack now. Even you, what are you waiting for? Download the money points hack now. Hadaku, wow, open money points account.
Money Point, made for your progress.
Silence noise.
I went through the report and the case file. It took a while, but I don't know why I didn't see it before.
Common denominators.
And very obvious ones.
Easy to miss at a glance, yet you can see it if you look hard enough.
You taught me that. You always said there's nothing like a perfect crime.
They always leave a trace, which if you look hard enough, you find it.
And that's what we hadn't done. But it all makes sense now. Because he always knows where the police is coming from and the angle they're going.
As if he has prior knowledge.
Because he had prior knowledge.
Someone on insight in your team is working with General Pinto.
I'm afraid so, ma. If I can find the informer, it's easy. I'll get General Pinto.
I can see you are achieving what I couldn't.
I don't understand.
Without arguments, I was the finest operative in the police intelligence. And I rose to become his deputy. Actually, I was supposed to be at the top. But do you know why I wasn't?
Because you're a woman.
It's sad truth. But you are good to be held back by gender politics. And if you succeed in this, if you are able to be held
the Goliath scaring your armies. There is no limit to your rise in the force.
The only option I've got is to nail General Pinto. I must succeed.
Do you have a plan?
I do. Just very few people knew about my plan to wally General Pinto. I'll narrow my search to them.
Perfect. So when do you begin?
Silent noise. Silent noise.
What could be more right than this? I have the man we're looking for.
I know, but where's his location?
When we see him.
That's fine. In fact, it's a relief to me. I have been compared by the DPO to take your position. God knows I cannot have your skill or range, but I'll do my best.
Thank you.
So let me know when we can meet and where the location is. But Uche, my officer will be far enough to retreat in case things go wrong. If another man goes down, he will be sent to the gallows.
Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise. Silent noise.
Life is beautiful when love is unconditional. But life is full of surprises when you least expect it all. So let us be faithful, to one another. Let the love given be genuine.